Good morning, students. Take out your EVS book. Lesson 7. Lesson 7. Plants around us. Okay. We have read page number 54, 55, 56, 57. Okay. Today we will read page number 58 and 59. Okay, we will read about climbers and creepers. Okay, climbers. What are climbers? Some plants have thin and weak stem. Some plants are there which have thin and weak stem. Their stem is very thin, पतले होते हैं, and weak. Okay? They cannot grow straight. They cannot grow straight like this. जैसे trees straight grow होते हैं, shrubs, herbs, but climbers cannot grow straight and need support to climb up, and these plants need support to climb up. They cannot climb on their own, they need support. Okay, such plants are called climbers. These plants are climbers which cannot grow straight and need support to climb up. Okay, you can give answer in short. You will write here the plants that need support to climb up. You will cut this line up to here. Okay, so when I will ask you what are climbers, so you can say the plants that need support to climb up are called climbers. We will cut these two words also. Okay, again read it. The plants that need support to climb up are called climbers. Okay, now read it again. Some plants have thin and weak stem. The plants that need support to climb up are called climbers. Okay, now we will read the names of the climbers. Beans plant, money plant, grapevine, pea plant. Okay, these plants need support to climb up. You can see in money plant there is a stick. This is a stick to support this plant. Okay, like that we use rope also. We use rope to give them support also. Okay, you can see these climbers also. There is gourd climber, tori climber, khira climber. Okay, so you can see these plants around your house. Okay, now we will read about creepers. In Hindi both are same. Climbers also bail and creepers also bail, but there is a difference between two. Okay, now read it. Some plants creep or grow along the ground. Some plants creep means नीचे जमीन पर ही ये फैलती है. ठीक है, एंड ग्रो अलोंग द ग्राउंड, ये जमीन के ऊपर ही बढ़ती रहती है. इसको हम सपोर्ट भी नहीं दे सकते. अगर हम सपोर्ट देंगे, इफ वी गिव सपोर्ट टू दीज प्लांट्स, तो दीज प्लांट्स हैव heavy fruits, heavy vegetables. So we cannot give them support. They grow along the ground. Okay. They also have thin and weak stem. Creepers also have thin and weak stem. They spread their branches on the ground. On the ground. Okay. They are called creepers. They are called creepers. So you can say like this. I will ask you what are creepers. Then you will say the plants. You can cut some that creep or grow along the ground are called creepers. Okay, read it again. The plants that creep or grow along the ground are called creepers. Okay, they also have thin and weak stem. They spread their branches on the ground. They are called creepers. Okay, now we will read the names of the creepers. This is pumpkin. You can see pumpkins are very big. If we will give them support, when pumpkins will grow, then a creeper will fall down on the ground. So we cannot give them support. They grow along the ground. Their branches also spread on the ground. Okay, pumpkin. Bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. You can see bitter gourd. Watermelon. Watermelon. Okay, these are creepers. Now you will read about climbers and creepers, and you will learn question answers, and you will try to recognize the climbers and creepers. Okay, thank you.